Steven's DIY Auto Repair. Alright guys, so today we're going to be doing an unboxing of our Steelman wireless chassis gear. But before we get into that, I just want you guys to know thanks for being patient with me. I haven't been on top of my videos as I used to be, and I've been lagging it, kind of commenting back to you guys. For the ones that commented on some of my videos, I promise I'll get to you. I'm just getting back into the swing of things. My son is here finally. It's amazing, guys. I'm so excited about it. He's finally home, and we've been adjusting to that. And there's no greater feeling in this world, guys, than to being a father, especially for the first time. So I'm just super amazed by that. So now that we're adjusting to all that, we're going to start getting back into our videos, our repair videos, our tool reviews, and all that kind of stuff. So thanks for being patient with me, guys. Continue to be patient with me because, you know, life throws curveballs and I got a lot going on right now, so just bear with me. So we're going to go ahead and be doing an unboxing on this. It's not going to be a review because we haven't used it yet. We're just going to unbox it. So before we actually start pulling everything apart, let's get this little bit of information about it out of the way first. So we got this at Walmart.com. I looked on Amazon, and Amazon was a little bit more pricier. Even finding it on Walmart.com was actually difficult. I found the wired version of this, the non-wireless version, and it was pretty expensive. And I found this, and for whatever reason it was super expensive, but then I typed in, I forgot exactly what I searched, and this one come up, which was like almost $150 cheaper. This one, original price was $230, I believe, and I think I might have got it for about $180 on sale, I think for Black Friday or around Christmas time. So the original price is about $230 on this. I'll go ahead and make sure to put the link to this down below so you guys could check it out. But basically, it's by Steelman. It's an electric stethoscope. It's an electric stethoscope. It's wireless. It includes 6 AA batteries, 16 AAA batteries, an organizer pouch, identifier notepad, 4 transmitter, and a storage case. So what are the features? Well, the features are, it's an electric stethoscope, it's wireless, it includes what I already just stated, and what else? The manufacturer part number on this is going to be 60635. And that's about it. The brand is Steelman. The manufacturer, I gave you the part number on that. And you get a 90-day limited warranty. So enough with all that boring information. Let's start opening this up and see what we got. So they do give you a nice hard case with it. These latches are a little funky, but check it out. Nice hard, hard, soft, whatever you want to call it. Protective padding inside here. You have your transmitters here. You get 4 of them. You have your batteries, and then you have your main component here. So they give you batteries for these as well as batteries for that. So that's pretty cool. They automatically give you the batteries, and you know, for the price, I think they should, right? So let's set that down and let's pull this out. So here's for your headphone jack, your on and off volume button, your signals, here's your channels, select your channels, your little antenna, and then for the batteries here. Put that aside. You got your booklet. What else we got? We got a nice little case here. And I think they tried to give you a little test date, technician. They give you like a little sample paper you could use, I guess, to when you test a vehicle. So they give you a bunch of Velcro. Let's just pull all this out and then we'll go through it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So they give you these, which I assume the way this works is you plug it in like this. You're going to attach this to whatever part of the car that you want it to go on. And then you're going to have to clip this somewhere underneath the car or anywhere, wherever you're installing this. And that's why they also give you Velcro, so that you could Velcro this to wherever you need to, just so it doesn't fall off, or even zip tie it. I guess that's also why they give you zip ties. So they give you some like janky looking headphones here, but it's a regular headphone jack, so I'm assuming you could throw in your whatever headphones you got on there. That would be better for you. So what is this for? Why would we need this? What can we use it for? So it says chassis ear, right? Well, you can use this for anywhere on the vehicle. Under the hood, underneath the car, the suspension, anywhere you are having difficulty locating where a certain noise is coming from. That's what this machine is going to assist you to do. So let's say we got a noise underneath the car. We can't figure out where it's coming from, whether it's coming from a control arm or differential or whatever the case may be. You can hook one to one. Let's say this goes to the differential. Number 2 goes to, we could say, the transmission, right? And you come over here, you're driving the car. Obviously, you're going to have somebody driving the vehicle for you. You're going to be in the passenger seat controlling this to be safe. So you hit channel 1, well, that's your differential. Well, you don't hear very much noise coming from there. But once you hit channel 2, number 2 is connected to your transmission. You got a bunch of noise coming from there. So now you just pinpointed where that noise came from. So that's what this device is going to help you do. So hopefully we're going to be able to use this soon. And I'm going to do my best to do a video on it for you guys. To show you guys, 1, how it works. For 2, how well it works, if it works, or if it doesn't work, and see if we can't find an issue. So, in my 2016 Dodge Charger SRT 392, we've been having this really loud, how can I say it? As soon as you're cornering, or as soon as you're even in a straight line, when you start building up speed, you could hear this clunking, like this rolling clunk, coming from pretty much in the middle of the car. So we have an extended warranty on it. We took it to the dealership. I wasn't there. I had to work. So unfortunately, I wasn't able to take it in. But according to the technician, they couldn't duplicate the problem. And they basically just told us that if you have a lot of weight in the trunk of the car, that can cause the issue. Well, I've already debunked that. I've had no weight in the car, just myself driving with nothing in the car, and it still does that noise, and it's actually starting to get worse and worse and worse. So what I want to do is I want to hook this up, and I want to go and try to diagnose it myself and try to find where the problem's coming from, just for my peace of mind and just to actually try this out. And then once we do that, whether we find it or not, we're going to take it to the dealership and see what they have to say about it. See if we diagnosed the problem, see if we found the problem, see if this actually really works, and, you know, go from there. And if it's something that's not covered under warranty, then we'll be doing our own work on it. So you guys will get to see that hopefully it's covered under warranty if there's a problem, which by the sound of it, there's a problem. So it's pretty cool, guys. They have a wired version of this. It just seems a little bit, what's the proper term? This is more like new technology, new school kind of thing, you know, with wireless. And I feel like with all those wires, it's going to be a pain in the butt trying to keep those wires out of like moving parts or, you know, whatever you know, moving parts or just keeping it out of the way and tripping on it, all that kind of stuff. So I went with the wireless one. It honestly wasn't much more expensive. I think it was maybe an extra, well, I think original price, I think this might be another $100 more than the wired one. The one that has a bunch of, like, I think it's like a 30-foot wires, leads or something like that. So we just went ahead and went with this one. So it's pretty cool, guys. It comes in a nice case, nicely packaged. It's really nice case for this. You could just pop it in here, throw it in your if you're mobile, throw it in your car, your truck, whatever, and get going with it. So let me see if I can't check out this. So yeah, these don't seem very sturdy, these clamps. I wouldn't trust, especially if you're going to put it somewhere underneath the car and driving it. I probably would not trust just this clamp. I would want to zip tie it or Velcro it to something sturdy. And then this is what you're going to clamp on. And basically the noise that generates through here is going to come in here, and it's going to get transmitted to your transmitter or your home base here, I guess you could say it, right? So pretty cool, guys. Pretty neat. So let's try it out. And when I do, I'll do my best to bring you guys along for the ride. Alright, guys, I hope you liked this video. If you guys did, make sure to hit that like button. If you guys would like to be notified when I put out another video, make sure to hit that bell notification. And as always, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more informational video and DIY projects. So thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. So, and as always, guys, until next time, have a good one.